This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, fellow goat enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to play Goat Simulator multiplayer online on mobile. It is important to note that the original Goat Simulator game does not officially support online multiplayer on mobile. The only way to enjoy online co-op with friends on your phone or tablet is by playing Goat Simulator 3 Mobile. This version allows for two-player online cooperative gameplay, bringing all the chaotic fun to your fingertips. To begin your multiplayer adventure, both you and your friend need to own Goat Simulator 3 Mobile. This game is available for purchase on both iOS and Android platforms. Before diving in, make sure your game is fully updated to the newest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Additionally, a strong and reliable internet connection is absolutely essential for a smooth online experience, preventing lag or disconnections during your goat-fueled escapades. Once both players have the game and a stable connection, launch Goat Simulator 3 Mobile. From the main menu, access the in-game friends list. It is vital that you and your friend are already connected as friends on your mobile device's native platform, such as Game Center for iOS or Google Play Games for Android. After confirming your friendship, you can easily send an invitation to your friend directly from within the game to start your two-player co-op session. With your friend successfully connected, you can now unleash mayhem together in Goat Simulator 3 Mobile's two-player online co-op. Explore the expansive world of San Angora, discover secrets, and complete various quests as a dynamic duo. While the console and PC versions support up to 4 players, the mobile version is specifically designed for 2. Also, please note that there is no crossplay functionality, meaning mobile players can only connect with other mobile players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.